Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to turn off or on your Insignia TV, both if you have your remote or don't have your remote. Now it's pretty simple, so first to turn on with the remote, it's right here. Just press the power, don't hold it. Then to turn off, just press the power. Now if you don't have your remote, and by the way, if you want a replacement for your Fire TV remote, the Insignia Fire TV, I'll link below. Without the remote, you're going to look for a power button. That'll be at the bottom of your TV. Now for some of them it's under the Insignia logo, but for mine it's not. For mine you see right here, there's this power and input button. Just press right underneath it. And you see that turns it on. Now to turn it off, you're not just going to press it, because that brings up the HDMI switcher. Instead, hold down on it. And you see it powers off. And you guys, how there is to it.